Crush by Gary Paulsen. This is another companion book group. You can read and enjoy all of them, but remember, companion books don't have to be read in a series order. You can read them in any order that you want. And you know the author Gary Paulsen because most of you in sixth grade study Hatchet and you talk about the survival qualities of Hatchet. Well, this is Gary Paulsen at his funniest. Kevin Spencer is crushing on Tina Zabinski, big time. He thinks she is the most beautiful girl in the world. Every time he sees her, he is in danger of making a fool of himself, like all boys when they like a girl. He can barely speak to her. Before he gets his act together, Cash Devine makes his move on Tina. So Kevin takes a scientific approach to make her forget all about Cash. You will laugh at his experiments. Read Crush, Liar Liar, Flat Broke, and Vote, where Kevin runs for school office, all by Gary Paulsen.